Can't wait till I feel you on the floor good.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with my first video on this channel right here. I do have another YouTube channel, but on this channel right here it's totally dedicated to my love for luxury goods. Okay, so the first bag that we're going to be talking about is a bag that has been super hyped up for the past like month or so, and I'm going to give you guys all the details about it. And the bag that we're talking about is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires. Okay, forgive me if I didn't say that correctly, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys all the details about this bag, the price, the dimensions, what fits inside, the different ways that you can wear the bag. You know, I'm going to give you guys a very detailed review. So this bag is extremely hard to get. A lot of people were able to pre-order, but then it was sold out. But luckily for me, I've maintained contact with an SA at the local Louis Vuitton here in Atlanta, and she was able to hold down the bag for me, and I was able to get it the day that it was released into stores, which was on September 27th. So I definitely encourage when you go into the Louis Vuitton stores that you go ahead and, you know, get an SA's contact information so that you can contact them and, you know, you can kind of stay in the know about different bags and everything like that, and they can kind of hold and reserve bags for you so that you can make sure that you get them. So definitely try to do that. Now, before I go ahead and get into the review, if you guys love luxury goods as much as I do, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As you see, I do have quite a few bags back here, and I do need to review these bags, so there will definitely be more videos upcoming on this channel. So yeah, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into the review. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead and get into the most important details. And this bag is $1,640 on LouisVuitton.com. If you were able to pre-order this bag, you only paid $1,550, but they did go up on the price a few days ago. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the detailed features in terms of the length, height, and width of the different accessories. So with the Pichette, it has a length of 9.25, it has a height of 5.3, and it has a width of 1.6. And as far as the mini Pichette, it has a length of 5.5, a height of 3.5, and a width of 0.8 inches. The round zip coin purse is 3.5 by 3.5 by 0.8 inches. I have the khaki strap. You already know it's the monogram coated canvas, the cowhide leather trim, and also the strap is adjustable, and it has a minimum of 37 centimeters, 14.5 inches, max 56 centimeters, 22.0 inches, and it is for shoulder or cross body carry. Okay everybody, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing of this bag. And if you're familiar with Louis Vuitton, you pretty much know how everything comes. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys individually the different pieces of this bag. There are 5 pieces, so I'm going to go ahead and show those to you guys. So first up, we will start off with the Pichette, and I already gave you guys the measurements of each of these pieces. And as you see, this is the Pichette, and you do have the vachetta leather, and it does have Louis Vuitton Paris right there on the tab. Now here is the back of the Pichette, and now let me go ahead and show you guys the inside of the Pichette. And here is the inside, and you do have a pocket on the inside of the Pichette, and you can fit a phone in the pocket there. I will show you guys that later on in the video. And right here on the pocket, you also have Louis Vuitton Paris as well. And this Pichette has a lot of room. It's definitely very roomy. I will show you guys that later on in the video. So let's go ahead and move on to the mini Pichette. Okay, so here is the mini Pichette, and this Pichette is bigger than the original mini Pichette. I will show you guys that in a second, but this is how it's looking. Again, you do have Louis Vuitton Paris right there. Here is the back of the Pichette, and now I will go ahead and show you guys the inside. And here is the inside of the mini Pichette. Nothing special, but you definitely get more room than you would get in the original mini Pichette. Now here's a quick comparison between the original mini Pichette and the mini Pichette that is with this bag. So as you see, there is a considerable difference. You know, you can definitely fit more items in the newer one, and here they are side by side again. definitely a considerable difference. Now let's move on to the coin purse, and here's how it's looking. You do have your regular monogram print on one side and then your mini monogram print on the other side. And let me go ahead and show you guys the inside of the coin purse. Here is how it's looking, and again, you also have Louis Vuitton Paris stamped on the inside of the coin purse, and it's definitely plenty of room in here to get, you know, some dollar bills and quite a few coins if you need to. Next up, we have the Jac Card Strap, and this strap does have Louis Vuitton stamped on it, and it has the gold hardware. This is an adjustable strap. You can adjust it and wear it crossbody or just wear it on your shoulders, and it does have the pieces of Pochette leather on there, and then you also have the Louis Vuitton detailing on the gold hardware. Last but not least, we do have the gold chain, and it is detachable, so you can wear it on the bag or off the bag. It's totally up to you. You can use it to dress the bag up or whatever you choose to do. So that is all of the pieces of this bag, and this bag is extremely versatile. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the different ways that you can put this bag together, and I'm going to show you how each of the ways will look on. So let's go ahead and get straight into that.
When he does it, he's so fine tonight. As long as you've got your suit and tie, I will leave it all on the floor tonight. You got fixed up to the nines, baby, show me a few things. All dressed up in black and white, and I'm dressed in that dress you like. Love is swinging in the air tonight, baby, show me a few things. Baby, show me a few things. Baby, show me a few things about love. Yeah. Baby, show me a few things. Baby, show me a few things about love. Stop. Let me get a good look at it. So big now, I know where to call you daddy.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you guys what fits inside the pochette and the mini pochette. So first up, we have my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It does fit right in the inside of the pocket of the pochette. It's a tiny bit of a tight fit, but it does fit on the inside, so you can definitely go ahead and put that in there. And then we also have my Gucci key holder. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there as well, and that fits. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the coin purse in there. That fits also. There's still quite a bit of room, but I don't want to overdo it, because if you do, this bag will look bulky. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my keys on there. And for me, on any given day or on most days, this is all I would carry. So this is definitely more than enough for me. And it's not making the bag bulky or anything like that. You definitely don't want to change the shape of the bag up too much. And I'm also able to zip the bag up comfortably. So yeah, you can definitely fit your everyday essentials in the pochette portion of this bag. As far as the mini pochette, I can also fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max in the mini pochette. You do kind of have to wiggle it in a little bit, but it definitely can fit, and that is great because I don't think you can fit any phone in the original mini pochette. So that's great, and again, I still have room. And I will also go ahead and put my Gucci key holder in there as well, and I just have cards and my license in there, and that can fit in there as well. And as far as the coin purse, it's not going to fit in there without it being bulky, so I'm just going to pass on that. But I am able to get my keys in there. So again, with this mini pochette, you can still fit your everyday essentials in there if this is all you carry.
You've got your suit and tie, I will leave it all on the floor.
given you guys all the details about this bag. I've shown you the different ways that you can wear it, and there are many other ways that you can wear this bag. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys about what I feel are the pros and cons of this bag. Now, as far as the pros are concerned, definitely get a lot of items, and you can wear this bag a lot of ways. So even though, you know, it's kind of considered a small bag, you know, and you're paying nearly $1,800 for this bag, you can do a lot with it, and you can use it so many different ways. So that's definitely a pro, and really that's the main pro, just the versatility that you have to this bag. I mean, like I said earlier, the possibilities are endless. As far as cons are concerned, of course, this is totally my opinion. You guys don't have to agree, but I feel like, you know, when you wear the bag with the coin purse and with everything on it, to me, it just looks like you're just doing way too much. I mean, that's my personal opinion. Of course, you know, when you see Rihanna with it, or you see celebrities or even other people, it looks really good on them. But I feel like on an everyday basis, that's not really the look that I would go for. It just looks a little bit too busy for me. But again, to each his own, and you do not have to wear the bag that way. Another con I feel is that the way that they did the gold hardware on this bag, the gold hardware is much more shinier, and I actually prefer the way that the gold hardware looks on the older bags. And so I'll go ahead and insert a picture of the pochettes, and hopefully you can see the difference between the gold hardware. Again, the gold hardware on the newer bag looks a lot more shinier, and to me it looks kind of fake, and it looks kind of cheap, you know what I mean? So that's, again, that's my opinion. I feel like they should keep the gold hardware the way that they've had it, because it looks very, you know, polished and very natural, whereas opposed to the way it looks now, it looks kind of cheap. And again, that's my personal opinion. And last but not least, I feel like it's a con to have that green strap. I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and kick out an extra $300, because I mean, you're going to be paying nearly $2,000 for this bag anyway. It's like $1,800 with taxes. You may as well go ahead and spend an extra $300 and get you another strap, because at the end of the day, that green strap is not going to go with everything. No matter how you do it, no matter how you style it, it's not going to go with everything. That's why I'm glad that I bought this monogram strap when I bought my favorite MM, so I can definitely wear that bag with anything now, because I have a strap that will go with anything. So I would definitely recommend, if you're going to get this bag, that you go ahead, if you have it, spend an extra few $100s and get you another strap. They have many straps on their website that you can get to match up with the bag, and that way I feel like the bag will take you a lot further, because you will have even more versatility with the bag. So yeah, other than that, those are the only cons. I definitely think that this bag is a great bag. I definitely won't be returning it. But, you know, as far as, is it worth the hype? I really don't know. It just depends on you as a person and what you like, but it's definitely a good value for everything that you're getting, and it's definitely offering you a lot of versatility in comparison to other bags that are the same price range, okay? So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this review. I hope that this has helped you if you're looking to purchase this bag. I will link the bag in the description bar, although it is sold out. You can definitely check out other sites, but they are asking for quite a bit more, because they know that it's hard to get. So, you know, of course you don't want to be paying too much for it, but I'll definitely link, you know, some sites down in the description bar for you to check out. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in more luxury videos like this. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.